Relay. Electrical relay is another electromagnetic device. It is basically actuated switch. The relay uses a small current magnet to operate the contacts to control a large current in the circuit. The construction and operation of an electric relay is illustrated in figure below. No contact, no contact coil terminals, moving armature, common contact magnetic coil, de-energized and in energized, no contact coil terminals, iron magnet core, magnetic coil, common contact. It consists of a magnetic coil, a moving armature, and a set of electrical contacts. When a current flows through the coil, a magnetic field is generated, which in turn attacks, attracts the armature. This causes the in normal contacts to change position, open to closed or closed to open. For the relay shown in figure, there is one normally open and one normally closed set of contacts. When the coil is de-energized, the contacts are in closed position. That means there will be a continuous flow of current through the switch and the device is activated. When the coil is magnetized or energized, the armature under attraction breaks contact with the no contact, thereby cutting the supply to the system. Please note that a small electrical signal to the magnetic coil actuates the switch, which in turn controls the supply to another actuating device like a wall or drive motor. Applications of relays: breaking of the control circuit from the main circuit, delaying and conversion of signals and multiplication of signals. Contactors. Electrical contactors are control elements that are used to make or break the circuit in electro-pneumatic and other electrical systems. Basically, these are made of highly conducting materials like copper or brass. The selection of suitable contactor in electro-pneumatic system depends on the type of operation, reliability, location, space availability, and so on. The contactors form the point of contacts in switches such as single pole and so on. Applications of contactors for switching high current circuits 3 to 30 kilowatt to switch control and logic function circuits.